Alright, Jit, so about to go to Buc-ee's real quick with the boys. Low key low on fuel, so we'll probably stop by Sheets, get some gas. But I know I haven't been recording much, or I haven't really uploaded anything at all in the past fucking month almost. But yeah, we're just gonna be cruising to Buc-ee's, get some photos, some rollers, and then later tonight, if everything checks out, I will be running, I believe, an M55 Beamer. It's downpipe tune, see what the hype is about. But yeah, nah, we're just gonna be vibing the whole time. So yeah. Alright, Jit, so we're about to run a stock Hellcat. This is low-key like the worst intro ever, but you know, we were supposed to race a downpipe tune, whatchamacallit, downpipe tune Beamer, but he's not here, so we're gonna be racing a Hellcat in the meantime. We'll see how this goes. I'm not gonna lie, this is my first time running a Hellcat, so I don't really know what to expect, if I'm being honest. So I mean, I know I'm gonna lose regardless, just because it's a supercharged V8 versus a, you know, mine's naturally aspirated. So, but it's all for content though, for the YT and then for the TikTok page. But we'll find out what this car has. I mean, I think I might have them off the hit. I might not though, because I know what saves me is just the weight from both. Like, I know the Scats or the Hellcats, they're usually more heavier, but I mean, then again, he has all that power to make up for it. Give them space. Ready? Ready. 1, 2, 3! Good runs. I'm happy about it. I'm happy how this girl performed. That's wind right there, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe on the way back I'll see if he wants to do like a 50. I don't know what happened on the first. I don't know if he didn't see me count down, but I mean, it is what it is, bro.
that was good runs. He didn't like, he walked me, but I was there. So, hey, bro, run's a run. I'm happy. I'm not gonna complain. Oh shit! Oh hell no! La patrulla. Hey, bro, these are done by professionals only, bro. So if you do this at home, don't do it. We are trained professionals for this stuff. I don't know what car's behind me though. I'm not gonna lie, bro, the cops are active tonight. Hopefully they stay like that, because we still gotta run the downpipe 2 in BMW, so we'll see how that goes. Was a lot of runs at the same time, because I was the C7 or the C6, my boy Chris, and then Alex, and then me. I think they're all within like 50 and 60 rolls, so right around where everyone's at, or kind of what everyone did anyways, and everyone wanted. Hey, that was good runs, bro.
Yeah, no, dude, I had to turn it to 7.
What's that?
It's on 7.
Really?
7.
God damn!
Yeah.
Hey, bro, good runs. They were all like what, 50s, 60s, right?
Yeah.
Hey, that's valid. Hey, next time give me like the bus, bro. You too fast. I don't know. I'm remote tuned.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Bro, when that first roll, that 500, dog walked me. You dog walked
What roll was that?
The first one. The first
Was that a 60? Oh shit! Damn, that was 16 minutes right there, bro. Didn't even feel like it, bro. We just left and we're back that quick.
Alright, Jit, so we're racing a stage 2 plus M55 Beamer. He's on bought tires, low key. Better find out. Better find out what these Beamers are about. Me? Alright. Damn, we low-key got that nigga, bro. Oh my god. Oh, fuck. Did my lip just flop again, bro? Are we dead ass? My lip!
Feel it?
What?
You feel it? Oh,
Look at it!
I didn't know you felt it rim.
Yes, bro, I ran over it.
Dude, I dog walked.
Bro,
I dog walked the hell out of it, bro.
how's it look, bro?
It's bad.
Bro, YouTube ain't never got to see it.
Huh?
Your YouTube never's gonna see it.
Why?
I never got a video with it.
Huh?
I never got a video with the lip on. Oh.
Poor guy, you never get a break, bro.
Bro, I never get a break, bro. Fuck.
Hey, where'd he go?
Who?
Beamer boy.
I'm saying this nigga just sent,
Bro, cause you did a pull right at the exit, bro.
It was pointless. I won either
sent
way.
him home, bro. Nigga said,
Oh, he wanted to run?
I got it 60, but it was pointless. I saw the extra. I was like,
You did 40, 60. No, 40, 50, 60.
Bro, the 40 that y'all did, whatever the fuck y'all did, the second run?
40.
I
It was a 50.
Oh, it was 50. Yeah, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I passed by him so fast.
Yeah.
Like after you hit it, after you passed by, bro, I passed by it.
I know, I saw it.
That shit was bad. You're toxic.
Me? Wow.
Hazards, bro. Are we dead ass?
You did hazards?
I did hazards.
Yes, he did hazards, bro.
I thought it was friendly.
That's exactly what I'm saying. You don't need to do it, bro.
Damn, bro. They don't look the same.
I know, but I just want to do it. Because
My fucking... My side marker went flying too.
no! No way, bro.
Bro, ripped the whole thing.
Oh my god. No, bro.
I mean, you know what that means.
What?
You ain't white one.
We out, bro. Let's go. Sit back.
Fuck, bro. That's sad.
That shit was peak. It was peak.
It was in his peak, bro.
Not racing,
I might spin back and look for it.
Just be like, I forgot that shit was coming out, so I took off.
Fuck, bro. Bro, alright, so we finished running the 335. My lip went flying, as y'all saw. Fucking lost this shit too, bro. And I lost the trim piece that was there, bro.
You won though, right?
I won at what cost,
Oh, that
though?
mattered.
At what cost, bro?
Lip.
I just got that lip, bro.
Got it. We're going back. Oh my god.
That shit is bad, bro. Hey, low key is in one piece, bro. I might look back for it. But yeah, this is the Beamer that we ran. Let me go ahead and show y'all. It's nice as fuck. I love the gray. It's the same gray as Eddie's. It's clean as hell. I'll show you the video. Like, shit's clean as fuck. Calm low 335. I think it's stage 2 plus, he said. Shit is valid as fuck, bro. I love the gray. W people, bro. You should have ran it, bro. You would have lost. I was joking. I just wanted to get you out. W instigator?
For real.
Is it actually? We'll run it on 707.
Ooh, that's good. I got you.
Actually?
Let me go talk.
Let's go talk. Let's go instigate. Let's go instigate.
No, no,
Yeah, let's go instigate. Let's go instigate, bro.
Black key.
Black key. 500.
They got the black key. I got it.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah,
Black
you're
key
right.
and red.
Shit's tough as fuck, bro. Another good night in Mexico. Where the fuck is Eddie at, bro? Oh, he's with Matt. Eddie got the win too. That shit was bad, bro. I'm not. My lid, bro. Fuck, it should look naked as hell. Good runs in Mexico, bro.